Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Holden Captiva, stock number 6018. This ran from the 1st 2011 to the 6th 2018. It has a LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight, front bonnet no dents, the front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, the front mirror, the front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,